Most welcome, dear students. My name is DN Sukla from LPM Public School. Dear student, this is second video of English Literature Class 6 topic Go Girl Go. In my previous video, we taught about two athletes, two sport women, that is Hima Das and Swapna Burman. And now in this video we will talk about the next athlete, that is Vinesh Phogat. Dear student, Vinesh Phogat is a wrestler of our nation, and I want to give you some information about her. Vinesh Phogat, born 25th August 1994. She is an Indian wrestler and she comes from a successful family of wrestlers with her sister Geeta Phogat and Babita Kumari. They both are international wrestler and Commonwealth Games they got medals. Some more information I would like to give you about her. She is from Bhiwani district, Haryana, and her age is 25 years old. Her height is 5 feet 3 inch and weight 56 kg right now. Her sport is freestyle wrestling. And now we will talk about some of her events. She had participated in wrestling in 48 kg, 50 kilograms and 53 kilograms. And dear student, I would like to tell you the name of her coach, that is Mahavir Singh Phogat. And now we will talk about her achievements and titles. She got highest world ranking 2 times. Her medal record, I am going to give you information about her medals records. Women's freestyle wrestling, and she is representing India. She is a star athlete of our nation. Now some events I am going to tell you. She had participates in Olympic Games, but she did not achieve any medal or any rank. And then she participated in World Wrestling Championship. Over there, she got 3rd position. In Asian Games 2018, she was once at 1st position and once at 3rd position. In Commonwealth Games, she was at 1st position 2 times, and in Asian Wrestling Championships she was 3 times at 2nd position and 4 times at 3rd position. So dear student, we can say total she got 3 times 1st position, 3 times 2nd position and 6 times 3rd position in her career of wrestling. In World Championship 2019, she fight with Noor Sultan, and that event was 53 kg. In Commonwealth game, her competitor was Glasgow 48 kg. in 2014 and gold cost 50 kg in 2018. And now we will talk about Asian Games. Her competitor was in 2018 in under 50 kg and in 2014 48 kg. So and Asian Championship in 2015 that was held in Doha 48 kg, 2017 New Delhi 55 kg, and in 2018 Bishkek that is 50 kg, and in 2013 New Delhi 51 kg, in 2016 Bangkok in 53 kg, and in 2020 New Delhi she got achievements in 53 kg. So these are about her achievements. She became the first Indian woman wrestler to win gold in both Commonwealth and Asian Games. Fogart has become the first Indian athlete to be nominated for Laureus World Sport Award to be held on. This award had been given her on February 18, 2019. Dear students, some more information I would like to give you. Vinesh Fogart is the daughter of very famous wrestler Mahavir Singh Fogart, younger brother Rajpal, and sisters of wrestler Geeta Fogart and Babita Kumari. And both of her cousins have won gold medal in 55 kg category in Commonwealth game. So these are some informations about Vinesh Fogart. I hope it is helpful for you all. And dear student, on 13th December 2018, she married her long-time boyfriend and fellow wrestler Somveer Rathi of Bakhta Khera village of Jind district, who is a 2 times gold medalist in the national championship. The couple knew each other since 2018, 11, not 18, 11, and both worked for the Indian Railway, where they met and fell in love. So, and now, dear student, as in your book, there is a newspaper report is given. So I am going to explain that. So everybody watch and listen me attentively. Planet Aims, Chandigarh, 5th September 2018. This news was published in Chandigarh, 5 September 2018. Asian Games, Vinesh Fogart becomes first Indian woman wrestler to win gold. So this is the heading of the news that had been published in Chandigarh, 5th September 2018. Vinesh Fogart beat Yuki Ari of Japan in the final of the women's wrestling at the Asian Games 2018. Dear student, Asian Games 2018 Jakarta, that is in Indonesia. So she had participated, and in final she beat Yuki Airi and became the winner. Thus she became the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games. Earlier on her way to the final, Venus had defeated Yonsun of China. So these are the names of her competitors, and she defeated them and became winner of the game. Venus had suffered a heart-breaking leg injury during the Rio Olympics against Sun. She had not allowed that to affect her. She came out a winner with an incredible score of 8-2. So, dear student, during Rio Olympics, she was suffering from leg injury, and her competitor was Sun. But she did not allow that suffering, that pain in her target. And at last, she became the winner, and with an incredible score, that is 8-2. When she landed in Jakarta, the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms above the requisite weight for her category. Mean to say, when she had gone to participate in Asian Games, she was overweight, and her overweight was 4 kilograms. So she was not able to participate. She had to lose 4 kilograms in 3 days to participate in the event. So it is very hard for her to weight her 4 kilograms within 3 days. If she did so, she would be able to participate in the event. She was on a liquid diet for 3 days. So she started only liquid diet. She did not eat any solid eatable thing. Worked out in a non-air conditioned hall to increase sweating and doubled the number of training sessions. She showed her great compassion, determination, and hard working to be participants of that event. So what she did? She took liquid diet for 3 days, and she worked out, she exercised in a non-air conditioned hall. And why she did so? To increase sweating, and also she doubled the number of training sessions. She did lose 4 kilograms, but she was not at her peak during the competition. So she became successful to participate in the wrestling. She lost 4 kilograms of her weight, but the result of this hard working, she did not perform perfectly during the competition. Yet, in a brilliant display of mental strength, she won the gold medal. Despite of these struggle, she showed a brilliant mental strength during the competition, and at last she won the gold medal. She has won many medals at other events, including a silver at the 2018 Asian Wrestling Championship in Kazakhstan and a gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Games. So, dear student, these are the achievements of Vinesh Phogat that inspire everybody. She is a star athlete of our nation, India. Indian sports has clearly come a long way with 2018 bringing India 66 medals at the Commonwealth Games and 69 medals at the Asian Games. So dear student, 2018 had changed the opinion of the world about Indian sport. The women athletes of our country, they become a star. In 2018, our country bagged 66 medals at the Commonwealth Games and 69 medals at the Asian Games. Women played a major role at both the sports events, and the women athletes of our country, they played a major role in the both games, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. They won 12 gold, 10 silver and 6 bronze medals at the Commonwealth Game. The women athletes of our nation won 12 gold medals in Commonwealth Game and 10 silver and 6 bronze medals in the Commonwealth Games, and 4 gold, 12 silver and 11 bronze medals at the Asian Games. So we can say it was the great achievements of sport women of our nation. They own 4 gold, 12 silver and 11 bronze medals at the Asian Games, and thus it is proud of our country that the women of our nation are capable in all over the world in sports. Dear student, I hope you understand the explanation properly. And now here are some exercises are given. We are going to talk about exercises. Tick the most appropriate options. The year 2018 saw 4 options are given. Option number A change in Indian sport. Indian women take part in the Asian Games. Indians win a few medals at the Asian Games. Many records broke at the Asian Games. So dear student, option number A change in Indian sport is correct option. Second question, the sports Hima Das takes part in, it's athletics, swimming, volleyball, football. So correct option is A, athletics. Question number 3, an extra toe on each foot caused Swapna Burman great pain because C, option A, could not move comfortably. Option B, did not have shoes. Option C, did not have shoes that fit properly. And option D, had a toothache. So dear student, question number 3, option number C is correct, did not have shoes that fit properly. And question number 4, Venus Fogart was not at her peak during the competition because C, option A, was more than 4 kilograms overweight, was on a liquid diet and so was very tired, had just lost to Johnson because of an injury, was not mentally strong. So dear student, option number B of question number 4 was on a liquid diet and so was very tired. That option is correct. And rest of the exercises of this chapter will be answered in my next video. I hope you enjoy this chapter. You got inspiration from all the three sport women of our country. About them we talked. Thank you very much to watch this video.